Okay, this is how to quickly save a photo you find on your Chrome browser, all right, on your iPhone into your iPhone Photos app. First, let me get to my Chrome app and tap on it. So as the Chrome app opens, let me visit a website and try going through a web page. So let me go to bbc.com. Okay, there's some information here, some headings. Let me open this news. Okay, look at this photo here. Let's say I want to save it into my phone, that I want to use it for something in future. What you need to do is to long press on the phone. All right, you will see some options. The next step is to tap on save image in. Okay, you'll be provided with some options. Tap on save in photos. So on tapping on save in photos, this is saved to my photos app. Let's just take a look at it. So look at my photos app. I will tap on it. So look at the photo here. Let me tap on it. And you can see, so anytime you want to save a photo you find in your Chrome browser, follow this step and get that done.